It's a pretty common question. They want to know how, where, how do I charge? So, where do I charge? This is the question. Here, there's many charging stations, but I'm going to use the EVgo today. Step 1, let's open up the canister. Boom, take that out, take that out. Number 2, take this plug here. Go ahead and, oh snap. Okay, I'm doing this one hit. So go ahead and plug it in so you hear that pop. Hold on. There you go. You heard the click. Then you hit the get started. Then you go on the app. Then you hit the app. Boom. Go here to the one I'm at. I'm at this one here. Then hit CSC. Boom. Start charging. 1 second and your card will be working. This is gonna pop up. And then whenever you want to stop it, you can. Let me show you what it looked like inside the whip. So when you open the door, you're gonna see how much power we got. Boom, 2 hours till 100, and then about an hour to 80%. This is semi-accurate. It's a little less accurate on the actual machine, but hey. So it'll be about an hour. I doubt I'll be here the whole time, but let's see how much charge we get. So, boom, we're at 15%. And the time is currently 5:16. Then you just simply, you gotta first unlock that. Then just pull it out. Boom, sit it in. Take it over here, check out this. Boom. We are at 80%. So we're starting with 215 at the range, 231 with the climate off, and then ended up with an 80% charge.